Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'll be trading stocks on the pocket option platform. Stocks like Tesla, Alibaba, I have them all set up here at the top of my line, at the top of my chart here. Boeing and so forth. Okay. I'm going to be utilizing one indicator here. And if we click on the indicator icon, it's the Fractal Chaos Bands, one of my favorite indicators. Okay, now in the indicator settings here, the period is set to 2, which is default setting. So we're going to keep the default setting at 2. At 2. And in my style setting, the only thing I've changed is the background color. I've changed it to white in order to see the band lines a little bit better. Now the red line represents a dynamic level of resistance. And the green line represents a dynamic level of resistance, while the red line represents dynamic levels of support. Okay, and for my candlestick chart, have it set up to 1 minute Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I also have it set to 1 minute. So I'm going to be taking 60-second trades. So we're going to be scalping these stocks for fast profits. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video and look for my first setup. Okay. So I just took a buy trade on JP Morgan Chase. And the reason why I took the trade is the previous green candle, I waited for it to close outside the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band line. And when it does that, it suggests that there's going to be a continued bullish momentum to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I just took a trade on Facebook, and similarly to a previous trade, the green candle here broke outside the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band line. And this suggests that there's going to be a continued bullish movement to the upside over the next 60 seconds. So these are scalp trades. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. It was a close trade, but we got it. I got the entry price at the right place. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Exxon Mobil here, and I just took a sell trade on this candle because I anticipated this candle was going to close below the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band line. And when this occurs, this suggests that there's going to be a continued downward movement, a bearish movement here. So let's watch this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, this trade broke even. I may have taken the trade a little too late. So let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Cisco right now, and I just took the buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade is if you see here, uh, the green candle closed above the Fractal Chaos Band line here. And when that occurs, this suggests that there's going to be a continued upward movement, a bullish movement to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Wow, another break even. All right, let's pause the video. We didn't win or lose on this trade. Let's look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on JP Morgan Chase, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade, I didn't take the sell trade at the previous close. If you notice, the previous red candle had closed below the Fractal Chaos Band line, but there was a level of support here that it was staying hovering at. So I waited till the price broke below this level of support right here and took the sell trade. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Another break-even trade. All right, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Tesla right now, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade is if you see this candle here, the previous green candle broke and closed. It closed outside the upper boundary of the chaos band line, which suggests a continued bullish movement to the upside. So let's monitor this trade on Tesla. It's coming in and pushing in our direction. And so we actually caught that trade at the right time here, right before this bullish breakout to the upside. Okay, so we won that trade. So I'm gonna pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Netflix and I just took a sell trade here. As you see here, the red candle is about to close outside the Fractal Chaos Band line here. So I went ahead and took the trade before the actual price closed. Okay, so now the price closed. So let's monitor this trade and wait till the expiration. I hope this is not another break-even trade. Uh, Hopefully we'll see a push to the downside. Uh, okay, there goes that push. Okay, so we won that trade. So I'm going to close out the session here. We had a few break-even trades. We had some winners. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. Once again, thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.